Okay, here we are at my dad's house in Green Lake, Wisconsin, overlooking Green Lake, 200 feet above the water on a cliff. I put this handrail in for Janet a couple years ago when she slipped and fell on these steps in the ice. Then I put this handrail in May of this year because she slipped and fell on the ice. It's hard to get all this in. And here's the deck, the beginning of the deck I built. This summer. Took all summer. No two boards are cut to the same length, and no two ends are cut to the same angle. So it forms a 60-foot radius. As you can see, the old deck was just fingers that stuck out between the columns, and they were cantilevered with no support. So I always say, obey gravity. It's the law. This is a temporary closure to keep people from falling off. That's going to be eventually going to be a staircase coming down for egress. We'll go upstairs and look at the rest. Yeah, so here we are in the airlock. 28 feet to the top of the ceiling. Oh yeah, I built that enclosure around the stairs too to keep the hot air from escaping. So this is just a temporary thing with some leftover railing. Making the deck waterproof was challenging and impossible, but using dimensional lumber to build a curved deck is impossible too, and building it over a 200-foot cliff. These are treetops we're looking at. Had to make fantails, Japanese fans in the deck lumber. A lot of sawdust. A lot of waste. Aluminum joints didn't turn out too bad, considering all the posts are angled. Need to do a lot of tuck pointing. Mr. Culver lives right over there. Butterburgers. Yep. And a Kohler Plumbing CEO lives on the other end. Okay, bye.